Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make money on Robinhood. So in order to make money on Robinhood, there are different ways, but the two main ways to make money on Robinhood is by buying and selling stocks, or you can earn dividend on your own stock. So basically what you can do is, the step number one that you can earn money is that you'll have to log in first of all, enter in the passcode. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page. Here, you need to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to buy or sell. So you can also use the search bar feature or the tool located right on top, and then look for the particular stock that you wish to buy or sell. Just tap the trade button. Next page, you'll be provided with two different options, that is either to buy and sell or call or put. So you can go through all of these, and accordingly you can buy and sell stocks or other assets at a higher price than you bought them for, and this is known as a capital gain as well. The other step on making money on Robinhood is that earning dividend on stock you own. So dividends are payment that companies make to their shareholders out of their profit. So you can invest on some certain stocks, and that's basically how you can make money on Robinhood. So these were some of the ways to make money on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.